Welcome to BestoLMS, a smart, intuitive platform designed to make teaching simpler, more organized, and more impactful. Let's take a quick walkthrough of the teacher's dashboard and see how it helps streamline your day-to-day academic tasks. Once you log in, your dashboard gives you a complete overview, from the classes allotted to you to your students, subjects, and assignments. You can also see your class schedule, upcoming events, and active assignments, all in one view. Next, in the My Timetable section, you can view your schedule, whether you prefer a daily view, weekly view, or even a list view. Everything is organized and easy to follow. Under the Teaching section, the My Classes tab gives you a quick overview of all the classes you're supervising. Click on View Details to explore class information, or View Students to see the list of students in that class. From here, you can directly mark attendance for the class, which takes you to the Attendance Management section for seamless tracking. Under the Lessons tab, you can upload video lessons for the classes assigned to you, making learning accessible anytime, anywhere. In the Students section, you can view all your students along with their details. Click View to access a student's personal, academic, and contact information, all in one place. The Attendance tab lets you mark attendance for your classes and view detailed analytics to track attendance performance over time. Under the Exam section, you can view exam details and easily grade students for the exams that have already been conducted. In the Communications section, click on Messages to connect directly with parents. You can send updates about academics, attendance, fees, transport, health, or any other important matter, all from one place. And finally, the Discussion Forum, where you can start topic-based discussions under categories created by the admin. It's a great way to engage students and encourage collaborative learning. That's the teacher side of BestoLMS, designed to make teaching more connected, organized, and effortless, empowering educators every day. That's BestoLMS.